1 pan creamy, cheesy Orzotto. So I've already got a pan going with some olive oil, sliced shallots, and rosemary. The shallots are already starting to turn brown. So I'm going to add some orzo pasta right into the pan.
Yum.
And some garlic. Scrape it right in. And then I'm gonna stir it around and make sure the orzo pasta is totally coated in this delicious shallot, rosemary, garlic, oil mixture. I think I included everything there. Orzotto is an amazing dish, and it's very much like risotto, which is made with arborio rice. But Orzotto is made with pasta, but it follows the same basic procedure. You cook it for a little while with some aromatics, start adding broth, add it gradually, and the pasta will slowly absorb the liquid, and the whole finished product is just creamy and dreamy. It takes less time than risotto takes, so it's kind of a quick solution if you're a big risotto fan. This menu I'm making is gonna have a Mediterranean spin, which I know my sister loves, I know Paige loves, I know Alex loves. We don't know about Stu and Mauricio because they're not here right now.
Yeah.
We'll just let them
Who cares?
We'll let them go get a burger and fries. Okay, so I've been kind of cooking the orzo pasta with the other ingredients, and I'm gonna add half a cup of white wine. Oh my gosh. That was by far the most exciting thing that's happened to me all day. And then I have some simmering broth. It's vegetable broth, but you can use chicken broth, seafood broth, whatever broth floats your boat. That's a very weird phrase. And then I'm gonna turn the heat down. It's really hot, so it already kind of got off to a good start with cooking. Okay, now I'm gonna stir this and cook it slowly for about 5 minutes, and then I'll bring in the creamy cheesiness that I promised. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. And then I'm gonna turn the heat way down and add the creamy cheesiness. So first things first, cream. Hello. And some, I call supermarket mozzarella. It's not fresh mozzarella, it's like supermarket mozzarella. And then half a container of mascarpone cheese. Ooh. But you could use cream cheese if that's what you have in your fridge. And basically any cheese combination works. And then about 4 ounces of goat cheese, and I'm gonna kind of break it up as it goes in. Honestly, Orzotto is one of those dishes that you can just pull out whatever you have in your fridge that you wanna get rid of. All right, so I also have sun-dried tomatoes, amazing flavor. They're chopped really fine, and kale. So it kind of has, you can tell yourself it's healthy because it has all of that.
It's basically a salad.
Yeah, it's a salad with a little bit of pasta. Okay, so I'm gonna fold, look at that cheese.
Oh my
Holy mackerel.
You weren't kidding about creamy cheesy.
I was not kidding. When I make promises, I keep them. So I'm gonna stir this around and let it continue cooking just for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is gonna be amazing. All right, Paige, you need to come in for your close-up and check this out. Creamy, cheesy.